if you add 2 plus what you added to the other number, it'll give you the square root of another number. So 1 plus 0 will give you 1. Since the square root of 0 is 0, and you just know the square root of 1 is 1. If you do the square root of 1 plus 3, which will give you 4, which is the square root of 2. If you do 4 plus 5, which will give you the square root of 9, which is 3. If you do 9 plus 7, which will give you 16, which is the square root of 4. If you do 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25, which will give you the square root of 5. If you do 25 plus 11, which will give you 36, which is the square root of 6. If you do 36 plus 13, which is 49, which will give you the square root of 7. If you do 49 plus 15, which is 64, it'll give you the square root of 8. If you do 64 plus 17, which is 81, which will give you the square root of 9. If you do 81 plus 19, which will give you the square root of 100, which is 10. If you do 100 plus 21, which is 121, will give you the square root of 11. If you do 121 plus 23, it will give you the square root of 144. If you do 144 plus 25, it will give you 169, which is the square root of 13. And 169 plus 27, which is 196, which will give you the square root of 14. If you do 199 plus 29, it will give you 225, which is the square root of 15. If you do 225 plus 31, which is 256, which is the square root of 16. If you do 256 plus 33, it will give you 289, which is 17. If you do 289 plus 35, it will give you 324, which is the square root of 18. And 324 plus 40 will give you the